IKEA
Why
ba?
are you going this way? That's Tim Hortons.
Ha? Holy.
Oh my gosh.
Ilang members.
Kapag car wash ka na dito kanina, nakita ko location mo.
Hindi. Nag-park lang ako, pinicturean ko yan, no?
Papa.
Oo, ang tagal niya kanina eh.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ako na. Dito na sila sa school. Oh.
Doon tayo sa back lane ni Calipa.
What? Mas malapit?
Pwedeng ano doon, pwede mag-drop off doon pag hindi pa beto.
Oh.
Wala sa mama niluto na ano, fried rice.
Oh, nakalimutan ko palang fried rice.
Wait, what did Mama about me?
Wala palang fried. I don't know if you have rice, be.
Oh, what did she about me?
Chicken.
I don't know, what's that? Anong oras na pick upin? Boy?
Like 2.
2 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's too early.
I was gonna skip.
Yeah. Good morning mga choy, mga chay. Good morning internet. Good morning viewers. Good morning Winnipeg. Hatid ko muna sa mga school nila.
Pa,
Yo.
why is there 3 called Winnipeg, Canada, and Manitoba?
Winnipeg is a city. Canada is a country. Manitoba is a province. Do you know what's the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. US is a country, right?
Yeah.
So
That's USA.
yeah, USA.
They call it USA or
And North Dakota is a
province?
States.
city, state. Fargo is a city, right? Pwede na mag-bike ko. Gusto mo gamitin yung bike mo?
Hindi naman ako ano.
Hindi ka marunong mag-bike? Look at them.
Oh! They go to Lansdowne.
Oh, yeah, I see those kids.
So, nagbabike lang sila, oh. Look at them.
They park it somewhere in the
Yeah.
courtyard.
See? You should bike, uwa. Hindi yung puro hatin sa car. Winter time, mag-bike.
The
That's
winter time?
Jacob.
Yeah.
That's not Jacob.
That's Jacob?
Wait, I forgot my ball. What?
Yeah, ihatid ko lang sila sa kanilang school. Then, bukas ng car.
I don't know if I'm even gonna use it.
Doon ako magbukas sa Northern Lights car wash. I don't know how much. Gusto mo i-try. Nalak ba yung front?
Ba't naman hindi malalak ng front?
Piling ka. Hindi na siya hintay lang. Saan kayo nag-walkathon ba dito?
No, we walk. We walk
Ito,
on the
ito yung
train.
sinasabi ko. Wala
The
siyang
track.
fence.
The-
Open siya, di ba?
The track.
So meron pa rin makakapasok dito na mga, you know, outsider. Dapat kinulong nila ng ganyan. You know?
You don't know how long is my truck.
Ano yan?
Truck.
Ano yung
Yan?
teacher aid?
Hindi. Yun ang alaga niya.
Ay, dito sa truck ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I think they're setting up
lang naka-superhero.
Wait, actually?
Hala! What happened? Ikaw lang naka-superhero.
And you don't have a jacket.
I thought today's superhero day.
That doesn't mean you have to dress up as it.
Oh. Wala kang jacket, I told you. See?
Go!
No.
Go!
Pulasan mo dito. Tanggalin mo lang yung superhero mo, lagay mo sa bag. Okay lang. Bilis.
Mayroon ba siyang suot under?
Yeah, come here. Hurry up.
Hindi, meron nakita ko naka-Batman.
Where?
Yung babae.
Meron
Pero-
pala eh.
Ano, wala akong nakikitang lalaki naka-dress up.
Wala pa yung mga
Let's
classmates niya.
go!
Wala talaga naka-dress up
Yeah,
pa.
remove it. Put in your bag.
Huh?
Put in your bag.
I thought today's.
Bakit
Sabi
malak?
na sa'yo.
Come on, hurry up.
Can you wait?
O ba't ikaw yung nagagalit?
Oh, but rushing me.
What's that sound?
Wala, mga naka-dress lang sila. Ay, John!
Come on. Lagay mo lang sa bag mo din. Suot mo lang mamaya. Wala,
pa
tulungan mo
siyang
lang.
jacket. Naka-t-shirt lang, Diyos ko.
Sabi ko sa kanya magdala ng sweater eh. I told you, you have to listen, bro.
What?
Bro.
You're the only one who has a t-shirt.
Yeah. You want to go back sa house? Huh?
You know, you can drop off a t-shirt.
I told you to bring sweater. Right? No, I'm gonna wear this one.
But no one's even wearing one.
See? Malamig ba sa labas? Ay, hindi naman. Come on.
Ano?
Come on.
Sabi
Can
na
you
sa'yo,
wait?
makinig ka kasi sa akin. Hindi ka kasi nakikinig. Kala mo lagi alam mong ginagawa mo.
You want it put in your bag? You know how to wear this one, right? Okay. If you need it, okay? Okay.
So even cold?
Holly, why are you only wearing dirty Crocs?
I love you.
Ito naman naka-t-shirt. Kulit niya eh.
Asan siya?
Alam.
Asan?
Alam, nakulog.
Siya lang naka-t-shirt. Pero baka may dala mga bata. Oh, naku, walang sweater yung kapatid mo.
Aba, pakasalanan niya. Kulit-kulit niya eh. Laging gigil.
Then si Uwa. Wala kayong superhero day, Uwa?
We're going to the dance room because
Ah,
Nagda-dance din si Uwa.
yes, right. He likes it, right?
You like dancing?
He's
Uwa?
gonna join SW like me.
Really? Meron pa ba yan?
You know, yung teacher niya right now, kilala na siya nung bata pa siya.
Oo.
When I was in high school. Kasi I would do my stretches with Man and Kali. Di ba in-ask ka ni Miss A about Kali too? My favorite teacher. Bye.
unlock it. Bye.
Love you.
Message ka kay Papa, okay? Bye. Bukas yung bag. Dun sa una ng truck. Ka-hazard lang naman.
Okay.
Cheers. Thank you pa.
Yeah. Muna. Text ka na lang mamaya.
Yeah. Ingat. Dire-diretso lang yan.
That's lang, okay.
Wala ko naiwan.
Ano? Malapit niyan magtapos guys. Malapit na siya. This coming year. Graduate na siya ng kanyang psychology. Anyway, dadaan ako ngayon sa car wash kasi yung bata niya hindi nagka-car wash yung pag ano eh. Pag nasa biyahe ako, hinahayaan lang yung sasakyan na sobrang dumi. Good morning. Filipino?
Sorry?
Filipino? You're Filipino?
No?
Okay.
You?
No. Thailand.
Oh, China.
No, Filipino. Just kidding. So how much for the membership here?
Right, so it's starting on $39, which is the quality wash, up to the works wash.
What is the work wash?
So you have the rust protection, the red hot lava.
That's
hot
including inside?
water. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
You go through the tunnel and start pouring this
And okay.
different liquids.
Different liquids, red hot lava. What is red hot lava?
Graphene,
That's good.
You have ceramic, super, hot wax. So this is more complete.
It's all
This
complete.
is,
That's
let's say,
basic.
soap and water.
Yeah. The great wash, that's 21 or 24. Yeah.
It's unlimited for 30 days.
30 days?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab that 54.
This one?
Yeah.
Yep.
So magpa-member ako dito dahil dito na rin nadaan si Kensley. $55.
It's gonna need some information from you.
Information. Okay.
Go.
So which one? Email address?
Sorry?
Email address?
Just email, no mailing address.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. Thanks.
So ang daming nagpahugas. So 54. So this 54 is unlimited wash?
All of them are unlimited.
All right.
So you can
Even
wash
if you're wash every day?
every day, even if it's in the same day, you can
Oh really?
wash it. and
That's
wash it.
nice. Yeah. So unlimited wash guys. So ito yung price nila. Yan o. $55, $50, $40. So doon na kinuha ko na yung work wash. So dito to sa Northern Lights, malapit sa IKEA, sa may Kenaston. So bayaran ko na to. Kasi napunta din si Kensley dito pag once na pupunta sa school para mahugasan niya palagi yung car. Kasi ano eh, laging madumi eh. So kahit everyday ka maghuhugas sa isang araw, 3 beses o 10 beses ka maghugas, or ubusin mo yung every hour, hugas ka naman every hour, hugas ka naman, that's good, no? $55 kaysa $32 na isang wash. That's good. That's for 1 month. So kung 1 year nito, mahal din pala pag 1 year nito.
You have a card?
Card for license? What?
No, the card, the credit card. Yeah, no.
Debit card. Guys, ang kagandahan dito, free ang towel, free ang vacuum. Wow, hindi ko alam. Yeah. Look, paglabas mo dun, Free ang vacuum, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng $1 ng vacuum. And then yung towel is free. Oh my. No gas pedal at this point? What do you mean? Prepare to load, place vehicle neutral when loading at the belt. Ah, so may belt pala siya. Wow, first time ko nakapasok dito. Yeah, so naka neutral. Okay, naka neutral. Bahala na yung belt magdala sa'yo. Yeah, hayaan mo na lang siya. Okay. What the heck, man? Wala kang gagawin. Tumatakbo yung sasakyan. Hindi ko makikita kung anong meron. Ah, what? What? Ito ba? Look, ganda pala dito, oh. Ngayon lang nakapunta dito, eh. Oh my. Grabe, wala akong Hala. So wala akong wala akong accelerator. Naka-neutral lang siya. Then hayaan mo lang yung conveyor magdala sa'yo. So ang dami, ang ganda pala. $55. Not bad sa mga taga Winnipeg. I know, yung iba na nandito, siguro meron na silang ganito. But it's my first time pumasok sa ganito. So ito yung last na cleansing and then blower. There you go. Blower na. No brake daw, no brake. No brake, relax, nakalagay, relax. Okay. So i-unload ka na ng conveyor. Go. That's it, man. Then this way. Katapos mag-washing ka, drying. Ang ganda. The best. Ang nagustuhan ko nakalagay doon, free vacuums. Nagustuhan ko free vacuums, hindi ka magbabayad ng $1, free ang towel. That's nice. Sa $55 kahit everyday ka maglinis. Kaya pala. Nice. So saan ako papwesto? Gamit lahat eh. Kabila. Yun, may bakante na. There you go. Dito ako nakalagay, free vacuum. Tapos may towel. Oh, not bad, man. Not bad for $55. Okay. So unlimited free vacuums. So may towel, dirty towels. Oh, may libreng towel, di ba? Clean towels. Tapos pag luma na, lalagay mo dyan. Okay. Linisin ko lang to. Ito yung car wash na to, the Northern Lights Car Wash. Dito so, ito yung car wash na to, Northern Lights Car Wash. So ito ay tabi lang ng Kenaston, then that's IKEA. Pwede kang tumuwi dun sa traffic light, pwede rin dito sa likod. And then pagkatapos mong maghugas, pasok ka dyan. Pag member ka na, sabi sa akin, pag member ka na, yung pinasok ka ng car, tumapat ka lang doon, wala ng card, makikita agad nila yung plate number. Then mag-open up na siya. Then pagdating mo doon sa loob, pagpasok mo ng car na yon, neutral na yung sasakyan. Then yung conveyor na yun magdadala. Okay? Yung conveyor na yung magdadala all the way hanggang makalabas ka ng building. Sinundo ko yung aking anak na lalaki. Alas 2.
Hi, Pa.
Hi. Ba't ka nag-skip ng yung gym?
Ayoko.
Why?
It's so sunny outside.
Sa labas kayo nag-ano? Baka hanapin ka
I'm gonna
ng...
get tired.
Baka hanapin ka ng instructor mo.
Hindi, there's like 50 students.
Kumain ka? Ano ginahin mo?
I bought a salad and then added it to my lunch.
Ganda ng chicks oh. Ligawan mo yun. Yung ano, klase mo. Pwede pala mag-parking dito. Ba't ang daming mga umuuwi?
Because some people don't have glasses.
Papasundo na sila.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ng hotdog? Ha?
And that place? No.
Which one?
Beside the sped.
Sa?
There?
Oo.
No.
Why?
It's not good.
Yung nasa gilid?
Yeah.
Why? Ayaw mo i-try yan? You know, kita mo yung tanda. So sikalin na lang susundin ko mamaya.
Yeah.
Yan, ayaw mo yan? Sa gilid? Ha?
I think that's their car.
Gusto mo yan?
No, I'm just saying.
Dito niya talaga pinarking sa ano eh, sa kanto eh.
Blocking
Yeah.
the fetch stop.
I think it's good. What?
Why is it so hot?
We have the right. Tatanong basta diretso ka at go, you have the right. Yung mga pa-left turn, they have to wait.
I can't do that. I'm just gonna stop early.
Which one?
Like what happened there?
Saan?
When the car's turning. I'm just
No,
gonna
you
stop
don't have
early.
to stop.
No.
That's the rules. And they will not go left na alam nilang merong incoming. They know the rules. You should know the rules. I'll teach you how to drive. Gusto mo?
I don't wanna drive yet.
Oh, kailangan mo mag-drive, iho. Dito sa Canada, kailangan matuto kang mag-drive. Yung mama mo lang talaga ang ayaw mag-drive. Diba? At talagang inuuna ang nervyos sa katawan. Alam mo, mag-drive. Sa umpisa lang naman siya mahirap. Yung like, you know, wala kang idea. Pero once na nakaupo ka dito, ikaw yung magmamaneho. It's really good driving. Kasi pag laki mo, I mean pag grown up ka na talaga, hindi pwedeng hindi ka marunong. Lalaki ka tapos hindi ka marunong mag-drive. Come on, anong gagawin mo? Taxi? Then how much is taxi? Mahal. Sa taxi ka lang ng taxi, ayaw mo mag-drive. Gutom ka? Kumain ka na?
Mm.
Okay.
lunch after, before this.
Okay. Oh, muntik na sumabit. Oh, it's too close, look.
What if I accidentally hit like the car?
Ah, babayad ka. Bayaran mo.
See?
Bayaran mo ako pag na-hit mo. Paggawa mo yung ano. No, everything will be explained after pag marunong ka na. Pumasa ka dun sa ano. Test. Ano sabi ng friends mo? Kasi sinuot mo kanina
Yeah.
sa school.
Yeah, because there were games.
Oh,
It's a passport for my bag for the thing, the
okay.
games. And I got a lot.
What?
And I got gummies, but I ate it all.
So gutom ka?
Yeah,
You want McDonald's?
yeah.
Oh no. Tara.
After we get in the car.
Huh?
No, I'll get Jollibee.
Jollibee? Are you sure, bro?
Yeah,
Anong pagkain sa Jollibee?
burger and fries.
Burger and fries. Okay. Ang lapit na ng Jollibee dito sa school niya. So close. Sa likod lang. Anong gusto mo? Cheeseburger?
Cheesy hamburger and fries.
Cheesy hamburger?
Yeah, and fries.
Hi, Sally, actually.
Hi, good afternoon po.
Well, fries.
Cheeseburger na meal na may fries na yan, di ba?
Yes, fries. And for drink,
Coke.
for sure.
Yeah.
And Pepsi's okay?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh yeah, Pepsi pala. Yeah, and then ano?
Yum with cheese, fries, and
That's a meal.
Pepsi?
Yeah, that's a meal, no?
yeah.
Yeah, and ano yung ano, chicken with spaghetti?
1 piece or 2 piece?
Just one piece.
Spicy or original?
Original.
With drink?
Opo, meal din.
Pepsi as well?
Yes, ma'am. Yun
For a
lang.
drink?
Yeah, yun lang. Yeah, Pepsi.
Is everything correct on the screen?
Wala akong nakita. Commercial
1
na.
piece original and spaghetti.
Yeah.
Pepsi for the drink.
Yeah. That's everything.
You can just please grab ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Galog lang. Oh, mga Pilipino naman yan.
Wow. Was that Gatorade open in the fridge?
Yeah.
That was a lot.
No, it's not.
This is in there.
No, it's not open. It's closed.
Why say it was open?
I'm sorry.
Why did you say that?
Hi po.
Hello po, here's your 2 Pepsi.
Tama.
So your total will be $30.22 after tax. Hindi po.
Di ba? Tagalog lang, di ba? May po.
Wait, so Jollibee, Tagalog?
Yes, from Pilipinas. Put down your armrest. Yeah. From Philippines. Bro.
Where's the straw?
There you go.
Oh, enjoy your meal.
Yeah, salamat. Okay, get your food. Iwanan mo yung kay mama ha.
Baby.
It's batteries.
Oh, my Jollibee. My dear. Thank you. Ay, naku, talagang rapido kami. Alam mo ako, si Judith, si Kuya Jun, hindi na nakapag-break. Ngayong hapon. Tinapos namin ng... Sabi ko, nahahawa na kayo sa akin, ha?
Kita mo umatras ako, umaabante ka rin. Ano to?
Sino ba yan?
Ayan. Kita na umaatras, abante din.
Butit nakatulog ka.
Yan, doon lang sa baba, tumatawag ka pala eh.
Oo. Pali tatanong ko kung kumain ka na. Parang ang tagal mo doon sa ano, sa may parkway ba yun?
So, talagang
Yeah, tinitingnan ko.
binabantayan mo ako ah.
Sabi ko, bakit ang tagal niya doon? Anong ginawa mo doon? Nandito na kami sa labas. Yeah.
Sabi niyo, yung dinaanan niyo kanina ni Papa.
Yung pinagkitaan nyo kanina ni Papa.
Dinaanan.
Sa church nga. Kung saan mo daw dinadrop off before.
Ah, okay.
Ay, siya, nakamali kami ng simbahan. Sa malaking simbahan kami nagpunta. Oo. Ay.
Ay.
Are you hungry, anak?
Ha?
Hungry ka?
Sakto lang.
Ano sakto lang?
Hindi siya hungry na, hindi din siya busog.
Pero pwede ka...
Krispy Kreme, no? Dito tayo. IKEA
Why
ba?
are you going this way? That's Tim Hortons.
Ha? Holy.
Oh my gosh.
Ang layo pa.
Hindi ka pala dito. Kala ko pwedeng lumusot dun sa IKEA. Ano sa kabila? Hindi ba?
Hindi. Ewan, try natin.
What's
No, wala.
this?
Wala ba?
Wala, tingnan mo. May malaking land dyan. Oh.
Saan lang? Lusot mas gano'n sa IKEA ta. Mali. Diskarte. Mali ang diskarte ni Papa. Kala ko dati dito bintahan ng mga ano,
Ito mga...
bote.
Hindi.
No. Mali ang diskarte ni Papa, guys.
Pa,
New.
there's a goose swimming
Where?
over there. There's a goose.
Who let the goose out? Goose.
Goose don't.
Huwag kang tagal.
Pa, there's an airplane.
Diba? Kung hindi ka lumiko dito, edi sana nandun ka na sa stoplight doon.
Pa, there's an airplane.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Where's it
Wala,
going?
hindi nga ito mag-aano.
Wait, Pa,
Hindi,
where is
madami
it
yan.
going to?
I don't know.
Which way is it going?
Hindi naman tayo pwedeng lumipat dito eh.
Hindi nga.
Tulitan tayo. Mali. Parang wala ano.
Meron.
Ano McDonald's o supermarket?
Ha? Ayoko dyan. Gusto ko yung Krispy Kreme. Have you ever seen the biggest fountain in the world? Manitoba, baby?
Yeah, pwede.
Oh, pwede naman pala.
Oo. 15 nga lang.
Pa, the fountain's over there.
There's a house.
The fountain's over there.
Sabi na eh.
I see it.
I have so many. May ka 15 lang.
Ah, Tim Hortons. Oh!
Hindi pa car wash si Papa.
Ha? Hindi. Patay. Patay.
What did you
Ano ba?
do?
Mali.
Papakita pa niya kay Kali yung fountain.
Hala.
Ano punta dito?
But what are you doing here?
Oh my God. Ano ito makapagkarwas dito? Hala, members.
Kapag car wash ka na dito kanina, nakita ko location mo.
Hindi. Nag-park lang ako. Pinicturean ko yan, no?
Papa.
Oo, ang tagal niya kanina eh.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Holy smoke. Ba't biglang nagbukas?
Magpapa-car wash ka na naman.
Holy smoke.
He's gonna car wash.
Nakapag-car wash ka na.
Hala.
Ay, dobleng gastos naman tong si Papa.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Ano ba?
Kapatid na lang ako nagpasundong. Dami palang gusto kong punta.
Hindi pa naman siya
Oh
nagpakaroon.
my
Hindi ako nagpakaros kayo na.
Why did Papa even do this?
Saan ka galing kanina?
Saan? May pinatago.
Ano nga?
Dito na siya nagpunta kanina eh.
Hindi.
May tayo masabihin.
Uulit lang yan para ipakita kay
Stop.
Kali na naman.
Okay. This one is free until 1 month, okay?
Eh?
That's why I told you to go here every day. So wala ka ng reason para hindi ka mag-washing. So wala kang, kaya mo lang siya. Okay? So unlimited washing.
Bakit nagpa-member ka?
Remember ako for 1 month. Wala unlimited.
This!
Okay? You can see anything there, Ata.
Your fancy.
Look at that, babe. Look at that, babe.
Oh my god.
Kahit everyday ka mag-washing or everyday pa ikot-ikot ka.
Basta, kailangan mo lang na...
Pagsampa mo dun ata, no brake, or in neutral, then bahala na yung ano.
Kaya
Papa,
pala,
go, go.
See?
kung sana siya tatakbo pag
Oh, yeah. So wala ka ng reason na hindi ka magkarwas, ha? Friends. So nahugasan na siya kanina, pwede siyang hugasan. Hugasan mo ulit.
Unlimited?
Unlimited siya.
For 1 month?
1 month.
Oh, really?
It's raining.
Starting today?
Yeah.
Oh,
Up to June 22.
22.
That's why I told you, dito ka dadaan. Hugasan mo ng hugasan.
Kaya pala members, ang huli.
Then free vacuum. Free towel. So tingnan mo lang doon ata, relax. Then pag sinabi niyang go, then put on drive. Okay, go. Okay, yun lang. Okay, liko ka dito para mag-vacuum or magpunas. Yung towel is free. Wala kang babayaran sa towel and yung vacuum. So pwede kang mag-exit doon, pwede ka rin dito mag-exit after mong mag-vacuum.
But why did Papa even do that?
Ah, wala rin bayan.
Wala ba? It's free.
It's not free, you paid for it already.
See? Nakalagay, free vacuum. Hindi ka magbabayad. Ang towel is free. Nagpunas na ako dyan kanina. Nandiyan ang mga towel.
Yung ka na din.
Hindi ko na bilang mahina yung vacuum nila. So sa bahay na yan. Free yan lahat. So dito ka
Exit niya.
exit pag galing mag-vacuum ka dyan. Lapit mo lang ata. Okay? Then you're good. Okay? Okay na. Wala ka ng reason para hindi ka mag-ano, ha?
Kaya pala,
Hindi ka maghugas, okay?
sinidya mo lang palang doon dumaan.
So balik tayo dun sa highway. Kasi mahirap tumuwid dyan. Kaya I told you dito ka dumaan kasi pwede ka maghugas dyan, no? Northern Lights. The name.
You know,
You know, Northern Lights Car Wash.
linis na uli.
Oh, linis na ulit. Kahit sa isang araw, kahit everyday, maya-maya, hugas ka na naman. Maya-maya, hugas ka na naman.
Baka mag-feed ang kulay.
Unlimited siya, unlimited.